Architecting legacy, transforming vision into immortality. The architect of your history. You haven't just built a company, you have created a masterpiece of Italian excellence. In a world of fleeting trends, true power lies in legacy. I am Simona Cochi, and I specialize in transforming your entrepreneurial journey, your archives, and your soul into a global narrative that defines the future of luxury. The founder of a company as an icon. Executive interview. Icon. Your vision is the heartbeat of the brand. We move beyond simple PR to position you as an international opinion leader. Through high-end video interviews and long-form editorial profiles, we celebrate the entrepreneurial journey and the vision that separates a leader from a follower. This is not just content, it is the definitive portrait of a visionary. Monografia digitale. Legacy. History is your most valuable asset, but only if it is told with authority. We reconstruct your brand's heritage through immersive narration, turning historical blueprints, family archives, and artisan secrets into a digital monument. We don't just record history, we celebrate the "Made in Italy" heritage that only you can claim. The living archive, digital heritage. Your archive should not be a static collection, but a living ecosystem. Utilizing AI-augmented storytelling and digital mapping, we transform your historical materials into interactive, 360-degree experiences and virtual lookbooks. We use advanced technology to ensure your past remains relevant to the global markets of tomorrow. Legacy documentary series and founders events. True excellence deserves a stage. We produce legacy documentary series, mini cinematic masterpieces documenting your craftsmanship and innovation. To crown this narrative, we design founders' legacy events, exclusive, high-impact evenings in Milan, or global capitals dedicated solely to celebrating your entrepreneurship and the eternal value of your brand. Global amplification and elite positioning. A legacy is only as powerful as its reach. Leveraging my status as a certified journalist and international producer, I provide the wow factor through an international press office that speaks to the world's most influential media. We connect your brand with global elites in APAC, MENA, and the Americas through authentic storytelling that only a deep understanding of luxury can provide. The choice of excellence. Every project is tailor-made, reflecting the complexity and prestige of your unique story. Our rates reflect the premium positioning of authentic Italian expertise and a global network. You have built the history. Now, let us architect the legacy that will ensure your name remains eternal.